Namaste, I am Raghu from IIGM Apparel Engineering Center, Bangalore, India. This is a proud moment for IIGM company as we have completed 25 years of IIGM training activities. In these 25 years, we have trained around 4,000 technicians, around 2,000 Gerber CAD designers, 1,000 Wilcom embroidery designers, and 1,000 TOT candidates, training of trainer for government project. And this is a proud feel that we have taken so much responsibility in training and placing the candidates, and our placement is around 98%. And we pledge from IIGM Apparel Engineering Center to do much more good jobs in placing the candidates in garment factory and supporting the industry also. In this precious moment, I would like to thank our management, our all students, and all my faculty colleagues and team IIGM, and of course, industry experts for valuable support, and I expect the same in future also. Thank you very much. Hello, Namaste. I am Raghu from IIGM Apparel Engineering Center. Today, I am going to explain and demonstrate about buttonhole machine dismantling procedure and assembly procedure along with the standard adjustments in the machine. And here we go with the training program. Before dismantling or assembling of the machine components, we should take care about safety of ourselves. So disconnect the main power from the machine, as well as make sure that you should not keep the finger here, we should not keep the hands nearby belt. Regular safety we need to take care. Parts, when we are removing, we need to use the basic tools of the machine. The basic tools are, we need to have a star screwdriver, lengthy screwdriver, medium screwdriver, 14-15 spanner, 11-10 spanner, 9-8 spanner, 5mm Allen key, and 3mm Allen key to adjust the basic adjustments of the machine. Now we go to dismantling procedure, and in the first step we remove the needle. There is a screw here for the needle bar, and there is a medium screwdriver. Just loose the screw carefully and then remove the needle. And as a second step, remove the blade, knife of the buttonhole machine with this screw and a lengthy screwdriver. Just dismantle the screw. So that we can remove the blade, and make sure there is a small washer for this blade. And when inserting back, say this blade shows 1/2 inch blade, and there is a small washer for the screw. Then as a third step, I will remove this work clamp. There is a step screw here. We need to remove the screw so that work clamps comes out. There is a step screw. This is the way how we need to remove the work clamp. Work clamp will have a rubber bush at the bottom of the work clamp so that it holds the fabric griply. Now I am going to explain you about how to remove the slide plate. And there is a nut about 9 mm. By losing this nut, we can adjust the buttonhole length starting from 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch. This is the pointer. Now it is in 1/2 inch. Like that we can adjust. Now I am going to lose the feed plate. Loose these 2 screws so that your feed plate and this covering plate comes out. To take out the trimmer plate, we need to lose these 4 screws from the top of the trimmer plate, so that after losing the 4 screws, tilt the machine head and lose this 5th screw which is connected to the trimmer plate. Lose this screw. This is a step screw. The trimmer plate will come out. Now I am going to explain you how to remove the hook shuttle. And to remove the hook shuttle, first we need to remove the hook set stopper. So these are the 2 screws. We can remove these two screws. This is the way how we need to remove the hook shuttle. We have two Allen key screws. By using 3M Allen key, we need to lose this screw. So that hook shuttle comes out. When we remove the spare parts of the machine, we need to arrange very neatly. So each and every part should be kept in a separate way, little with a gap, so that when we assembling it, we will not get any confusion like this. Separately we need to keep hook shuttle, stopper, knife, blade, upper trimmer, lower trimmer, plates, everything. Now I'm going to explain about cam position. First, keep this machine in the stop motion position. That means this lever should be inside this pulley. And then this is the main cam. When machine is in stop condition, you need to check this point to point to be matched properly. And this is the main cam. We have a 19 mm nut to remove the cam. We have a roller center here. This is the follower screw. When machine stop condition, this point should be very importantly checked in the cam. And on the cam, we have different segments. This is the stop motion segment, slow speed segment, and opposite this, there is a knife segment which controls the knife dropping position. This is the segment. By losing the screw and moving this in this slot, we can adjust the starting back tack number of stitches segment by changing the segment at the back side. And this is the opposite to this. There is a ending back tack segment. By losing the screw and removing the segment and changing the segment, we can increase the number of stitches at the starting and ending back tack. And these are the segments which controls the starting back tack and ending back tack positioning, releasing, tension releasing time. Now I'm going to explain you about how to fix the throat plate on the trimmer plate. This is the trimmer plate, this is the throat plate. In the throat plate, we have a needle penetration hole, needle plate hole. And this hole should come to this side, back side, towards us. And ensure that when fixing this curve of the trimmer plate should match towards the back side. And fix the two screws of the throat plate. Now I'm going to explain about how to fix the counter knife on the trimmer plate. And this is the counter knife. When fixing this counter knife, place it here and keep the gap about 0.1 to 0.2 mm between the needle hole and the counter knife edge, as well as make sure that this counter knife comes to the center of this needle hole plate, and tight the counter knife with the two screws. Now I'm going to explain you about how to fix the moving knife. Fix this moving knife here and tight this moving knife with this screw so that moving knife firmly fixes on the trimmer plate, and which also moves like this to cut the thread. This moving knife and counter knife together helps to cut the thread. Knife connecting link with this big screw and a washer. Tight this screw so that moving knife moves with the help of this moving knife connector link. Now I will show you how to fix this trimmer plate on the machine head.